Today we will learn how to design reports in MS Access. A report is a summary of your database. It is an effective way to organize and summarize data for viewing and printing. It consists of information obtained from tables or queries and presented as per the user's requirements. Reports are generally prepared and presented in hard copy. If you need to share information from your database with someone but do not want that person to actually work with your database. Reports also provide the facility to group and sort the items, thus making it more readable. Let us first understand the report sections. In Access, a report is made up of the following sections. Report header. This section contains the information that generally appears on a cover page, such as a logo, a title, or a date. It appears at the top of each page in a report. Page header. Page header contains the information that is to be displayed at the top of the report. Detail. This is where you place the controls that make up the main body of the report. It displays the records and appears between page header and page footer. Page footer. This section is printed at the end of every page. Page footer is used to print the page number or total number of pages. Report footer. Report footer prints report totals or other information for the entire report. It appears on the last page of the report and displays the summary of the entire report. Let me now tell you how to create report using Report Wizard. A report can be created in the same way as we have created a form. The only difference is that after selecting the Create tab, you have to click on the Report button in the Reports group. Access creates a report and displays all the fields of the selected table in the report. Let us have a look at how the Report Wizard walks you through the steps of creating a report. Step 1. Click on the Create tab and select the Report Wizard button in the Reports group. The Report Wizard window appears. Step 2. Click on the Tables or Queries drop-down arrow. Select the table that you want to display in the report. Here we are selecting the table named Students. Step 3. Click on the double arrow button to move all the fields to the selected fields area, or click on the single arrow in order to move the selected fields one by one. The figure displays the functioning of single arrow now. Click on the next button. Step 4. The Report Wizard displays the next screen asking you to add any grouping level in the report. Click on the next button. Step 5. On the next screen, select the field using which you want to sort the record. Here we have selected the roll number field. You will find the sorting order box gets active automatically. Select the sorting order by clicking on the box and click on the next button. Step 6. Choose a layout for the report from the displayed options in the Layout section. Select the orientation, either portrait or landscape as per your requirement. Now click on the next button. Step 7. Now Report Wizard prompts you to assign a suitable name or title for your report. Type the title for your report and click on the Finish button. Access displays the preview of your report as shown in the figure. Step 8. The report name will be displayed in the navigation pane. Students, let's know more about Label Box. It displays descriptive text such as titles, captions, or instructions. Okay, students, now let us understand how to create a report using Report Tool. The Report Wizard is a quick way to create a report, especially if your Report Wizard contains limited amount of data. The Report tool is, however, much easier to use as all of the formatting options are available to you in the Layout view once the report is created. The Report tool automatically creates a report that is connected to a single data source, either a table or a query. To create a report, follow the steps mentioned below. Click on the Create tab and select the blank report option in the Reports group. By default, the report uses the tabular layout, and if your data source contains enough fields, Access creates the report in the landscape format. A blank report window appears in the layout view, which allows you to change the format of the report. The field list pane will display on the right side of the Access window as shown in the figure. In the field list pane, select Show All Tables option and click on the plus sign next to the table that contains all the fields. Now drag the fields that you want to include into your report one at a time. The report will appear as shown in the figure. Students know the fact about text box. It is a user interface component that is used to accept information from the user. It is also called the input box.